So this is the power bank that they are talking about, the Zendure Supertank Pro. And thanks to our friends over at Digital Walker for sending this to me, for me to try it out and test it, how long this one can probably last. So this is a 26,800 milliampere hours of battery, which is very, very massive. It has 4 USB-C ports, and it also has a USB-C of 100 watts power delivery, which is well good enough to charge laptops. And of course, it has a vivid OLED screen to display the how much battery is left. So you can see here that you have 4 ports. So port 1 and 2 has a 100 watts maximum output. Port 3 and 4 has 18 watts maximum output. So this is what you can probably see on the display. And well, yeah, for people like me who has a lot of gadgets like laptops, iPads, Nintendo Switch, gaming consoles, cameras, and whatnots, you can buy this, and probably you only just need this one on the go, and well, it can last you up to more than a day. So let us see some tech specs over here. So it can last you up to a week of usage, well, depending on the usage. Quick charge for laptops, rapid recharge speed, sleek aluminum exterior feature, upgradable firmware. Now this is something, power bank with firmwares, okay, so you can carry it on any flight. So yeah, without further ado, let's simply open this power bank. So it's really packed premiumly. And guys, you can visit any online or offline digital walker if you want this big type of power bank. It's probably really worth it. So yeah, the box is also huge, like the power bank itself. So yeah, there's a couple of stickers over here which you need to remove. So here we go. There. Okay, so you can see that there's a nice looking and you can see that there's a nice looking pouch over here containing the power bank. It's pretty big. So upon unwrapping the zipper, you can see that it has a Velcro. Okay, so this one is still pretty much packed. Just see some stuff from here. We have your charging cable and a user manual over here. So let's just take it out of the box and see. And here we go. Now we have here a USB-C to USB-A adapter, which of course not all of us has a USB-C to USB-C cable like this one's being supplied over here. Traditionally, we have a USB-A to USB-C or USB-A to micro or to lightning. So we have 24 months of warranty, which is really nice. So we have here also the user manual, so you can well probably browse it, and some stickers. Well, it's good for camping. It's good for adventure, for traveling, and more. Of course, for biking is also good. So how about let's unbox this massive power bank we have here. So yep, just need to unwrap it. And further unwrapping it. Okay, so yeah, it's being sandwiched inside the plastic. So you can see is a brushed aluminum metal finish, Zendure. Okay, so here's the brand, and here's the display for USB-C ports. Out of the box, we have roughly 68% of battery left inside the tank, which is still pretty huge. Okay, so yeah, there's some specs over here. So about let's try to charge things up and see how fast this thing would go. So right now we'll try charging my phone, the Mi 10 Ultra, which can support fast charge using this power bank. So we'll be plugging it to port number 1 or port number 2. Then let's see if it will flash the quick charge sign. So let's see. Okay, so you can see here clearly that it supports quick charge. So the quick charge logo is here. Definitely it would power me up faster than any other power bank in the market. So right now I don't really have any laptop that I can try to charge, but this one definitely can charge up to 4 devices all at the same time using this awesome Zendure Supertank Pro. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. So I urge you guys to check the description box below where you can buy this Zendure Supertank Pro. And so that's it, and I hope to see you on the next video.